Relocating to another country is one of the most exciting and life-changing things you can do, but it can also be one of the most overwhelming. From paperwork and packing to customs and coordination, international moving involves a long list of responsibilities. That's why working with a trusted international moving company is essential. At SDC International Shipping, we simplify the entire process by combining expert planning, hands-on service, and clear communication. You don't just get a mover, you get a team that guides you every step of the way. It all starts with a consultation. Every move is different, so we begin by learning about your specific needs, where you're going, what you're shipping, and when you need it to arrive. Whether it's a full household move, a vehicle, or just a few key items, we tailor the logistics to fit your schedule and budget. We'll help you choose the best shipping method, advise on customs regulations, and answer all your questions. From the start, you'll feel informed and confident, knowing there's a plan and a team built just for you. Once your plan is in place, our professional packing crew takes over. We don't just load boxes. We carefully wrap, label, and catalog everything for international transport. Fragile items are padded and secured. Electronics are packed with anti-static protection. Furniture is disassembled and shrink-wrapped. We also offer custom crating for valuables, artworks, or unusually shaped items. Each box and item is documented for both tracking and customs. You can trust that your belongings are protected, professionally packed, and ready for the journey ahead. After packing, we arrange your shipment via sea or air freight. Sea freight is ideal for large or cost-efficient moves, while air freight is faster for urgent deliveries. If your volume is small, we can consolidate your shipment with others to lower your cost. We handle all booking, routing, and scheduling, using our global network of carriers and partners. We track your shipment in real time and keep you updated on its location and estimated arrival. Our goal is a smooth journey, free of surprises or delays. Customs clearance is where many international movers get stuck, but not with SDC. We work with destination agents who understand the import laws and requirements of your new country. We ensure your documentation is accurate and submitted on time. We guide you through each required form and help you avoid common mistakes that cause delays. If taxes or inspections are required, we coordinate those steps as well. Our experience with global regulations means your shipment clears quickly and legally, so nothing holds you back. If your arrival and delivery dates don't align, we've got you covered. SDC offers secure storage both in the US and at your destination. Whether you're still finalizing housing, waiting on visas, or relocating in stages, we can hold your shipment safely until you're ready. Our warehouses are clean, secure, and climate-controlled. When it's time, we coordinate final delivery straight to your new home. You don't need to manage multiple providers or worry about timing. We handle it all, so you stay focused on settling in. At SDC International Shipping, we know that moving abroad isn't just about logistics. It's about starting the next chapter of your life. That's why we go beyond the basics to deliver peace of mind. From consultation to final delivery, our team is with you at every step, solving problems before they happen and keeping you informed throughout the process. Whether you're moving for work, love, retirement, or adventure, you deserve a move that feels as exciting as your destination. Let SDC make your international move effortless. If you're planning an international move, don't do it alone. Choose the team that protects your belongings, handles the paperwork, and guides you from start to finish. SDC International Shipping brings experience, care, and confidence to every move. Visit us online at sdcinternationalshipping.com or call 877-339-0267. Let us take the stress out of your relocation so you can focus on your future. Your new life is waiting. We're ready when you are.